This 2024 Winnebago Voyage 2730RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, leveling jacks, slide-out, awning, stovetop burner, smoke detector, LP detector, refrigerator, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Winnebago Voyage 2730RL is 7,479 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.